This is 3 days in a row I've had a toucan like in my backyard. There it is. There he is. Where are you going, toucan? There he is. Oh, and now he's gone. There you go. See you later, Mr. Toucan. He's over there. That is so cool. 3 days in a row I've had a toucan back here. Usually they're sitting right, there was 2 of them yesterday sitting right here in this tree. How cool is that? What is up, people? It's your boy Chancellor. Welcome back. You know what we gotta do? We gotta do a house tour. Duh. It's been too long, but I gotta get a coffee in me. I just woke up. I was listening. I'm like, I'm hearing all this noise on the roof. I'm like, what the hell is that? And it was a toucan. It was just hanging out on the roof. So I'm gonna get a coffee in me, and then we're gonna do a little house tour. I also want to get out into the street and kind of look around here. I know there's a park up here. There's an ecological center, and then there's a park that's before it. So we're gonna go check out the park because I need a place that Kaya can hang out. Somewhere local, so you know we can get out of the house and go for a dog walk and all that stuff. So anyway, I gotta get a coffee in me. Let's start the music. Ew! Welcome to Casa Rio, the official walkthrough video. I don't know if I said this before, I'm sure I did, but my buddy lives in Canada 6 months and lives in Costa Rica 6 months, and he owns this house, so he needs somebody reliable to watch the house, and for some reason he thinks I'm reliable. And honestly, if you're gonna do the same thing, you're gonna want that to happen also with your house, because you don't want to just leave your house open for 6 months. Bugs and people, I mean, not even like people robbing your house, somebody will just come in and live in it, you know? So it is a good idea if you're gonna live here for 6 months and back home for 6 months to have somebody rent your house, somebody that you know, you trust, and that you know is gonna, you know, you're not gonna have problems when you come back and try to get your house back and they're like, I don't have a place, or what, you know what I mean? Anyway, so this is Al's Casa Rio. Beautiful, beautiful house. Brings back so much memories just seeing it on video, because it's like this was the actual first house that I ever vlogged in. My very first vlog in Costa Rica was here. All right, I'm home. Time to shower and do some editing. It's just super cool to see it back, like everything's pretty much the same. So, beautiful kitchen. Love this kitchen, nice and open. Oh, I just love how it's open. It feels a little weird at night because it's so open and it's like, I don't know, it's like, in the daytime it feels good because all the lights are coming through, but at night you're kind of like, all these windows and stuff. You just feel like people are watching you. I don't know. Anyway, so this is the kitchen. This is the living room. This is my spot here. We got the laptop, speakers, microphone, little area here. Haven't fully set everything up. Bathroom. Boom, bathroom. Very cool situation because here's a bedroom. All three bedrooms, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. All 3 bedrooms have their own bathroom to it, and this one's really cool because it's kind of like, that's kind of like the house bathroom, so they separated it from the rest of the bedroom. So the bedroom's got a cool little slidey door to the bathroom. Nice shower. Boom. Kaya papaya. Come over to here. This is my buddy's room. We put the gate here just because we don't want the dogs to kind of do their thing in here. Whatever, it's just his room. He's got his own shower, bathroom. Very cool. This is the garage area, laundry area of my garage because I'm tearing apart my scooter right now. Just took the whole head off. That is a whole nother situation. Laundry. There's a bodega outside. We'll get outside in a little bit. Door to the outside, but it's locked right now. I don't have the keys. Well, I have the keys. I'm just not opening it. This cool little area over here. A little bit of a mess. Kaya's been hanging out. We got Kitty in the building. This is beautiful. I love this. This is just like luxury, baby. My room. My room. You might remember this bathroom from the first vlog. Yeah, that's my bathroom. What I love about this bedroom is that it's got the door to come outside, hang out. We got Blackie in the building. What up, Blackie? What's up, buddy? So we got the outside here. This comes out to the driveway, which is really convenient. So if you're like, you know, you gotta grab something from the car and you're in bed or whatever, just go right there. Go out to the backyard here. I know, Blackie. Head out to the backyard here. There's a house next door here, but nobody's lived in it for I don't know how many years. The guy Grant, I have his keys. I got the keys to the house and everything. Maybe we'll do a walkthrough of his house one day. Ooh, oh, oh. This is my deck, but we'll get up there in a minute. Bodega. This is basically a garage, but I have all the keys to the house. This is the only key that I cannot find. So I gotta talk to Elle and find out where this key is. And then we got the backyard here. Boom. And it's full of fruit. Fruit. Ooh, I just found some glass on the ground. That's not good. We got limes, like actual real limes, which is actually hard to find in Costa Rica because like most of them that you see out in the wild are like lemon lime mix. So these are actual limes. That's really cool. We got bananas. We got mangoes. We got, oh, check this out. There's one mango. It is the very first mango of all. Oh, scared a bird out of here. So this tree is about 5 years old, which mangoes take about 5 years to get your first mango. And this bad boy is just hanging. Look at that thing. First mango, a whole tree. I am excited. We got some papayas going. We got mango trees, manga trees, avocado trees, tons of different bananas, plantains, all types of stuff. Very cool. All right, then you come out to the front here. And this is my balcony here. So I'm sitting here working. I've got the beautiful river view. I'm drying out these mats. They got, oh, they're dry now. Nice. They got wet yesterday. And look at that view. Got the hammock right on the river. It really doesn't get better than this, man. Absolutely beautiful. Then a spot that is really cool. I just don't use it much because, well, I don't watch TV. So I'd use this when my daughter comes over. We come up here and we hang out on the couch and we watch, you know, Lemon Lulu or Lululemon or whatever the hell those shows are. I don't know. Open this up. Boom. Nice, nice. And when it's not raining, I love it up here. I want to bring that round table and chairs from downstairs up here. Maybe make this like a, I don't know, like a getaway. The problem is just so much rain lately. So, I don't know. Anyway, I gotta get my day started. I don't know, I knew there was a park up here. I remember when I was driving up here, I remember taking the walk thinking that I could walk up here. I got like maybe halfway before I was like, yeah, right, I'm not going any further. I don't care about any park if it's any further than this, but this is really, really, really nice. It was one hell of a drive up here. Oh, wow. There's stairs to the top of this rock. We'll get there. There's also this crazy seat up there. There's all types of crazy stuff going on. Entrada. Okay, let's entrada. Now, I don't know if that's like a trail, but we're definitely not doing any trail today. Just looking for a place to walk the dog. This looks closed, but she said I can go. Alright, we're gonna do what Guy did. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Oh, perfect spot for your drone. Hell yeah. Wow. This is really beautiful. Here we are on the top of the world. There's San Isidro all the way down there. Wow, look at the size of this flag. Hell yeah, this is like, I don't know, 15-minute drive up the road. Nah, 10-minute drive. 4-hour walk though, because you're walking uphill. This place is dope. Look at this. Big seat. Got a little picnic area. I guess you could probably, you know, oh yeah, they got a grill, so you can come up here and grill. Wow. Wow. This is an incredible view. That is beautiful. Pretty cool up here, man. Oh yeah, so there's a walking trail. We're not gonna do that today. One day we'll go for a hike when I don't have flip-flops on. Wow, this is really cool though. This is beautiful. Wow. Insane. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you are not already. All right, people, I'm not trying to make hour-long vlogs anymore. I want to keep it short, sweet, make more vlogs and in less time. It's not the last time up here, for sure. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next adventure. You